What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're having a great weekend. And today we're back with the Bitcoin daily update. Today I'll be able to make a little bit more videos. The moving is coming along pretty nice. I'm still not done yet, so still not up to 100% of my capacity in uploading and everything around it. So again, sorry for that, but I will be back soon. And I will be back good. All right. So, but in this video, we're taking a look at Bitcoin. After this, I'll also take a look at Ethereum in the daily update. Not a lot has changed, to be honest, but there's some valuable insights, I think, that I wanted to talk about. Apart from that, we're also covering Quant and Moon River, but that's for a little bit later in the videos after this. Right now, we're taking a look at Bitcoin. So as I said, not a lot has happened with Bitcoin. If you're new to this channel, what I practically expect is that we'll consolidate, and as you can see, this I didn't just drag it along. I made this analysis like the 3rd of August, and for all that time it has been it has been correct. But obviously, I mean, I just said we would consolidate, and according to my analysis, we should have this move very soon. So I'm not too sure about that happening. The thing is that if we drag this, if we drag this away for a little bit, you can just see that there's not a lot of volatility. Volume for Bitcoin is also down another 40% from yesterday. Yesterday it was at 18 billion. That was already relatively low, and 15 billion is like a monthly low, I think. Yeah, and that isn't necessarily weird. I mean, it's the beginning of August. A lot of institutional investors and traders are on holiday on their yachts, and a lot of people like you and me were also on holiday. So there's not a lot of trading. That has its positive sides and its negative sides. Obviously, there's less people selling. Apart from that, there's also less people buying, and less volume could mean more volatility, and it could mean bigger crashes. So that's, I think, the main reason why we're moving like this, and that not a lot is happening. But as I said, sometimes low volume also brings about more volatility. So I do still expect this move. Even though the volume is low right now, we're just going to delete this. I think you have remembered it by now. I do think the volume is high enough to actually stay in this consolidation, and you can clearly see also from the EMAs that we are really consolidating. The EMAs, all of these lines are almost flat, or are at least flattening out. But I think this level, especially here around 22,400, could actually be strong enough to get us above 24,000 and get us to that next price target between 25,000 and 25,500. That's the main thing we're waiting for. I could also see something like this happening, so that we have to drop down a little bit lower towards 22,000. But I still expect this somewhere within the next week. So I am going to give us a little bit more time. Within the next week is the 14th of August. So up until this point, I think this consolidation could take a little bit longer, as I said, because there's just not a lot happening in crypto at this point of time, which isn't a bad thing. I mean, it's always it's very healthy to take a break sometimes. But yeah, and I'm going to delete this VIP. I don't like it. But yeah, so that's what I expect. And the key in this whole analysis is that if we stay, as long as we stay above 22,000, we're fine. As long as we stay above 22,000, this area right here, this one, is the main level. If we stay above that, we're still relatively bullish. If that breaks, I was wrong, and we're going to drop down. Just so you know, 22,000, that's the level. But for now, that's my analysis. So I want to wish you all a great rest of your Sunday and weekend. But for now, I also want to thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. And I do want to say a quick thank you to our sponsors at Fairdesk cryptocurrency exchange, where you can get up to a 602 bonus right now if you sign up through the link down in the description. So go check that out if you want to thank them too. They help keep this channel running. So for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.